We are gonna do a trick, Allegra and I. You ready? And go. Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh, good. Something that we really like to do when we were in Arizona is hook the motorcycle to the trailer. Excuse me, Ethan. We're on our motorcycle, and we also have behind us Allegra in the trailer. Says that we were going like 13, 14 miles an hour. This is awesome.
Daddy?
Yeah?
When you open your mouth when you're on my motorcycle, and it's getting really windy and cold, and you also open your mouth, wind gets in your mouth.
Yeah. The wind catches your mouth, huh, kiddo?
Yeah.
How you doing back there? Now we switch places. Allegra's up front. Eden's in the back there. I'm driving still. And we're about to go downhill, so we gotta stop recording. Hi, buddy.
We get to say adios, right? Adios. And will you do me a favor? Let's have you put your finger out.
Put your finger out.
Can you put your finger out? This was a male. This was a male. Yeah. There you go.
Adios.
Adios.
We're here in Iowa at the Hitchcock Nature Center, and we are gonna catch monarchs. And it's actually pretty cold out here. So I gave Stephanie my hoodie.
For the baby.
For the baby. I will promise that we'll get one today. We just caught our second monarch. We have 4 monarchs. I hope they're monarchs. I
Yeah,
hope
they are.
not.
They are. Okay, should we go tag?
I hope so.
All right.
We need to support that wing on the back. Alrighty.
Okay. Let it
Okay,
go.
ready? Well done. Say adios.
Thank you.
Adios. Yay, she still flies. We just came to realize that Lucas is 6 months old today.
Yay! 6 months. We're the babes.
Jeez, you're a big boy.
Can you find Dad?
No, not that guy. Lucas, you better know who your dad is. There you go.
That guy. Oh, sweet boy.
It's funny, whenever Lucas gets shy, he always ducks his head into Stephanie. Oh, there, that looks like a boy praying mantis, huh? Allegra has a little bit more information to give us.
The mommies try to catch the daddies, but the daddies usually fly away.
Oh, because what happens to the daddies after the mommies catch them?
She eats them.